Hey y'all, I am Nikki, better known as nikpikthrift here in the YouTube community. I like to buy items at a discounted price and make a profit reselling them on platforms such as Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and I'm trying to start on Amazon, dabble in it a little bit, see what I'm working with. I did sign up for Prime, but like I said, I want to learn it first before I can actually jump into it. We like to remain positive on this channel. We like to be just an inspiration to people, down to earth. We like to laugh. We like to cry. We like to make money. Then you're interested in? Then keep watching, guys.
Nikpikthrift, nikpikthrift, nikpikthrift.
I'm a full-time reseller and I make YouTube videos documenting my journey along the way. We are not six-figure sellers here on this channel, but we do strive for that one day. We like to buy goods at a discounted price online and in the stores, and we love to make that profit. We resell on platforms such as Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. If you don't know what those platforms are, that's just places online that we can use their platform to post our items, and they charge us a little bit in return. On eBay, you have all of the world's eyes on you. You can ship international as well as in the United States. There's so much money to be made in this business, guys, and there's enough room for everybody to grow. So just keep that in mind the next time that you see someone struggling. Without further ado, this is what I made this weekend, guys, and this is what I sold. Now, let me explain something about my sales. I was working with only being able to make sales on eBay all this week. I have not been able to list a new item. They have temporarily suspended me until I switch over to managed payments. So I'm in the process of getting a bank account right now, so they wouldn't accept my PayPal. So it is what it is. So yeah, I haven't listed anything on eBay for a week, but I have sold stuff, I think, every day. Not very many somethings. Like I went from 374 items all the way down to 304 because when the old listings need to come up to be relisted, they just put them as an unlisted item. And when I go in and try to revise something, then I end up having to save it as a draft because it will not update my listing. So the first thing that I have going out is a direct sell. That's just because I messed up on a Poshmark order. I told her, and I realized before she'd even got the order, so I let her know about it, and she went ahead and accepted the order, but that was like a week and a half ago, and I forgot to mail the jacket, so I just had to buy a shipping label online, and I have to send this out. I sent her a hobby jacket that was a size extra large. You know how the diamond printers, they don't show color, so you have to be really careful on, especially if you just have more than one cabbage jacket hanging up like I did. So this is actually the one that was supposed to go out. I've had this since I very started reselling. I got this at a thrift store for 99 cents. This sold, big sale I had, and so it sold for half price, so it only sold for, I think, $16. Yeah, so, I mean, I ended up eating everything, if I even broke even, because of the $8 shipping label I had to purchase to mail this off, plus my cost of goods for the other blazer also. The first thing that I have going out on eBay are these valances that I received in that last bulk buy that I received. They sold for $11.11 with the buyer paying shipping. So all in, they were like 16 bucks. And all it is two just black sheer valances. This is also going out on eBay. This was in the last bulk order. I did let this go for $8. I accepted an offer. I had it listed for $16, I believe, but whenever I went back and looked and they were paying shipping, that I had them paying shipping on this, I went ahead and accepted their order. I wasn't going to accept it at first, but with them paying shipping and this not even weighing as much as what I had it in there, I'll make a few bucks off of the shipping also. So theoretically, I'm pocketing about $8 on this. Okay, that was the only two orders for eBay. Moving right on to Poshmark, I sold this first Lululemon bag that I have found, but it was really filthy inside. I mean, I washed it, but as you can see, it's really dirty. And it's the Do What Moves You bag. There's a little bit of small amount of pilling on the leather, which I did note in the listing, so that's why I had it listed for so low. You know, normally I would have had this listed around 60 bucks in my Poshmark closet, but since this had a flaw, I had it listed at 35 at first. I moved it down to 25, and then when somebody liked it, I then sent them an offer of 19 with a discounted shipping, and then they accepted, so I only paid $1 for this, so I was okay with that. It's a nice little lemon bag. I've recently listed this. It was the black and blue Jim Beam vintage trucker style hat with the pin on it that says I tap it every day. I had this listed for $35. Somebody liked it, sent me an offer of 12. I declined and sent them a counter of 25. They then counter me back at 20 with no discount shipping, so I went ahead and accepted that, and he even messaged me and told me thank you. If you've been here for a while, then you know that I love picking up the brand Blowfish. It does not resell for a lot, but it usually flies off the shelf. I did have these for a little longer than I usually keep Blowfish. I had these for probably 6 to 8 months. I usually don't keep them longer than 2 or 3 weeks. So these sold for $12. So she sent me an offer of 12. I accepted because these had been in my closet for about 6 months. The next thing to sell was this Pink Republic. I think it's just a Target brand, but they have really cute like boho, log and look styles that I really, really thoroughly enjoy, and that's the kind of look that I like overall in my closet. It's just this cold shoulder super soft sweater. It has a crisscross detail going down the sleeve. You can barely see any skin. Yeah, you could see skin through it, but it's just barely. It is a scoop neck. It does have a slight ribbed effect going on the neckline, and it kind of feels like cashmere. A cashmere cotton blend. That's what I'm going to say. Let's see if I'm right. So off. It was a Ray on an island nylon blend, but that feels like cashmere. This bikini listed very long. I picked this up at my local consignment store for 99 cents. I listed it for $50. It is a pre-owned bikini, two-piece bikini. It is like an equestrian western type bikini. It is the string bottoms with the cheeky behinds that says never give up. And then the top is just a yellow stringy top with has like horses on the breast of it. It's really pretty. I had it listed for $50. Somebody sent me an offer of $35. I happily accepted for a used bikini. Now I know this is cashmere. I've had this red cashmere sweater for quite a long time, probably over a year. I did take measurements because it does look a little shrunk. It is a Charters Club size medium cashmere sweater. It sold for $23 with discounted shipping. And I actually modeled them in the picture, which I'll insert right here. It is just this navy blue zip-up front jumpsuit. New with tags by TJD. That is the Jet Set Diaries. Sorry, the Jet Set Diaries. It is originally $199.99. I paid, I think, $25 for this, and I almost kept it. Like, I loved this. Like, it was so cute. It was in my stuff all the way until I sold it. But it's just like these flare leg corduroy jumpsuit. It has a crisscross back. It is just so cute, and I'd never wore something that cost $199 before. I sold this. This did not sell over the weekend. This sold like on Thursday, and I finally found it, and I had it hanging up. I had an inventory number on it, which I kept telling myself to look in my closet that it was probably hanging up, and I was like, no, let me go through one more bin. And after I got through half of them, I'm like, let me go through that damn closet. And lo and behold, in the first 3 swipes, I found it. It is just this Athleta heathered gray. It is a hoodie, jersey type tunic, athletics, outdoor kangaroo pocket tunic top dress sweater. It is a size extra small. It sold in my half off sale, I believe. Maybe? No. It sold for $25 with a discount shipping. No, she sent me an offer of $25, so she didn't get discount shipping on this. And the last thing that I had sell on Poshmark this weekend. No, I had two more things, sorry. But this was in my B&G trading, my very, one of the main reasons that I got courage enough to start my YouTube video was they let me, you know, do a sponsored video on my channel, and they sent me 10 items. I've sold just about, I think, everything that they sent me except for 1 or 2 items. But, it's just this endless rose suede mini skirt with the lace-up leather straps. It is a size small. It sold for $15 with the discounted shipping, so that was all profit on that. Super cute. And the last thing that I had sell on Poshmark, I had got these retail arbitrage at Walmart. They had these on the clearance rack for $2. I picked up 6 of them just to see how they would do, and I was going to lot 3 of them in, you know, in two lots of 3s. Well, it's been about 2 months since I picked them up. Well, one of the lots of 3s finally sold. I want to say it sold for $25, and my cost of goods on that was $6. So that was $19 that I received, plus Poshmark's 20%. So I profited probably around $13 on these. Would I pick them up again? Yeah. I mean, because it's nice to have different stuff in my store and in my closet that I can provide, you know, just a wide variety of, a plethora of things, of items, of treasures. So a lot of people like to niche down. I'm the type, like, right now, for my business model personally, I feel like I'm more of like a Walmart than a JCPenney's. You get what I'm saying? Like, JCPenney's only focuses on clothes, household goods. You know, Walmart focuses on every category that there is. So that's why I like compare it to that a little bit. So, and we see who is not filing bankruptcy and going out of business, don't we? Walmart. So, you know, there's a reason that Walmart is the biggest, one of the biggest businesses that is in the United States. And so I try to take what I can from their business model and try to like mold it into mine. So yeah, so that's what I had sold. You'll see right here, I have my numbers, and this is what I profited, and I did pretty okay. So with that being said, guys, same time, same place, same pretty little face. Bye, y'all.